Hello everyone, today I am going to give transformation to this beautiful lady. She is Madhu, 43 years old. As you can see, she got pigmentation, scars and texture all over her skin. Firstly, I am prepping her skin with CeraVe moisturizer, then hyaluronic serum and again encapsulating it with cleaning moisturizer. After this, I sprayed the face with makeup fixer. For color correcting, I just add concealer with red color and hide all marks and scars. I blend it with the same brush and now I am applying liquid foundation which is matte from Sheen Arabia. I got two colors, one is 2N and other is Earth. I mixed them and got the desired shade. After applying with paddle brush, just blend it with wet sponge and fix it with translucent powder from Kiku Cosmetics. Now it's time to shape brows. Just shape them with black pencil and blend it with dark brown powder to fix it. Now to hide under eyes, I added concealer. I picked the same shade which is 2N and blend and fix it with powder. Next, for face contouring, I took some dark color which is Earth and applied it on the face and blend it too. Just outline the lash line with black pencil and smudge it with black powder. For eye makeup, I picked up purple color, dark and light shade. This one is classic smoky eye makeup. I added dark color shade to the corners of eyes and blended with maroon shade. At the middle of the lid, I used light purple shade and blended all. I applied similar shade at the corner of eyes to brighten and open up. For the under eyes, I add the dark purple with maroon shade to the waterline and smudge it. Next, I add the beige eyeliner in the eye to make it bright. For the highlighter, I picked the gold shade and blend it all. To finalize the eye makeup look, I put eyeliner from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I simply gave her classic wing liner. Then for blush and face sculpting, I used rosy pink color. Lastly, I added mascara from Estee Lauder. For lips, I outlined the lips with fuchsia pink color and blended with nude shade. I added highlighter to the high points of the face and here it is setting with makeup fixer. For hairstyle, I tie her hair in a Swiss bun with side partitioning and adorn it with beautiful rose. Here she is. Hope you like it. Do share and subscribe my channel for more makeup tricks and tips. Thank you for watching.